Hello guys, welcome to the Nocode Africa's YouTube channel. If you've ever wanted to make money as a no-code app developer, you're in the right place. No-code development is booming and there are several ways to monetize your skills. I have been teaching no-code development on YouTube for the past 2 years and I've applied all the strategies listed here. Since it worked for me, it can work for you too. Whether you want to create and sell apps, teach others or freelance, this guide will work you through the best strategy to start earning. Number 1, sell no-code training courses. One of the most profitable ways to make money is by teaching no-code. Many people are looking to learn no-code development and you can position yourself as an expert by creating courses on platforms like Udemy, a massive audience that can generate passive income. There is Patreon, which allows you to build a community and offer exclusive content. There is Seller, a great platform to sell digital products including courses. Now follow these particular strategies. Start with beginner-friendly courses and scale up with advanced content. Promote your courses using LinkedIn and TikTok to attract learners. Number 2, sell apps on the Flutterflow marketplace. Flutterflow is one of the most popular no-code platforms and it has a marketplace where you can sell app templates. What to sell? Ready-made templates for e-commerce, software as a service, booking apps, and more. How to succeed? Create unique and high-quality apps, optimize for SEO, and market your templates on social media and LinkedIn. Number 3, freelance on Upwork and Fiverr. Freelancing is another solid way to generate income. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great for landing no-code app development gigs. How to get jobs? You have to build a strong profile, showcase your skills, experience, and portfolio. Write compelling proposals, focus on how you can solve the client's problem rather than just listing your skills. Start with competitive pricing, build reviews and increase rates over the time. Stay active and apply daily to relevant job posting. Number 4, build a portfolio website. A portfolio website is crucial for showcasing your work, building credibility and attracting clients. You have to include past projects, testimonials, and a contact form. You can use platforms like Framer, Webflow, or WordPress to build your portfolio. Ensure that you optimize your site for SEO with keywords like no-code app developer for hire. Number 5, leverage LinkedIn for visibility and clients. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for networking and attracting clients. You have to optimize your profile and add no-code app developer in your headline. Post valuable content, share your project, tutorials, and industry insights. Engage with potential clients, comment on posts, and send connection requests and offer free value before pitching services. Number 6, use TikTok to build your brand identity. TikTok is an underrated platform for no-code developers. Create short tutorials, teach no-code concepts in under 60 seconds, showcase projects, share behind-the-scenes app building processes. Engage with trends, use trending sounds and hashtags to increase visibility. Making money as a no-code app developer is all about leveraging multiple income streams. I've used these exact strategies and they've worked for me, so I know they can work for you too. Whether it's selling courses, freelancing, or using social media to attract clients, consistency is key. Start today and within months, you'll be making money from your no-code skills. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Drop a comment below on how you plan to monetize your skills. See you in the next video. Bye for now.